Oh, the doorbell. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
We're really bad at handshakes. Let's go. Yeah, I was just working out.
Is anybody else here yet?
Nah, they're not here yet, but they should be here soon.
Alright, sweet.
Oh, that's them.
Nice.
Alright.
Hi.
What's up, guys?
Not much. How's it going?
Good?
I'm so hungry. I didn't even have lunch. I just breakfast and I just forgot.
Yeah, everyone forgets. Luckily, we have Cheez-Its and we
Cheez-Its
have
are
other
the best.
chips.
Oh man, Cheez-Its for show.
Alright.
Cheez-Its, gotta love them.
Well,
What was that? Did you invite anybody else?
no. Maybe it's Michael. Alright. Yo, no one was there.
Wait, we got Ding Dong ditched?
Guys, I got it. I'm gonna go hide out there in the bushes. If they ding dong ditches again, I'm gonna get them. Here we go.
Tom, did you see him?
Nothing yet.
The doorbell just rang.
Nobody was here. I was watching it the whole time.
Tom, what do you mean you didn't see anybody? The doorbell just rang. Were you not watching?
It
Were you
the
not
entire
watching?
time. I was watching it.
What do you mean?
Nothing happened.
What
Wait. What are those?
They look like Cheez-It crumbs.
Cheez-Its.
You know, James, you always been like a brother to me, and I just wanted to give you this doll. So, what do you say?
Yes, I love it. Whew. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Where's Jameson going?
Let's go to the bathroom.
Alright, nice. Okay, so I'm out there, hiding in the bush, chilling, and so the doorbell rings, but nobody was there. I was watching the door the whole time.
I'm sure you were.
Really? Are you calling me a liar? Are you crazy? I was out there the entire time.
Yeah, well then how come you didn't see the person who rang the doorbell?
I don't know. That's not my problem.
It is your problem. You
Wait, guys. Hey, where's Jameson? He was in the bathroom, but it wouldn't take him that long.
I know.
James!
Oh my gosh.
It's cut open.
There are Cheez-It crumbs everywhere. Where's James?